Chew.
Now this one.
No, that's left. Eat this.
Eat this one?
Yeah.
But it has clear teeth.
Huh?
It has clear teeth.
You can eat.
Is it a good bagel? Sammy, is that a good bagel? Delicious? Good boy, look at him. He's a good boy.
So we're just waiting and going to hospitals to I need actual reservations of where I'm staying.
Okay, you sit with softer hair. I'm gonna meet with the later. Come back.
These ones.
Is that the best bagel ever? Huh, Sammy? Is it good? Are you too busy? Sam? Is it the best bagel ever?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Sammy, you know you got a spider on your hand?
It's not a real one.
Let me see it. Let me see your spider. Put your hand up here so I can get a picture of it. Uh-oh. Sammy's got a spider. Oh, take your foot off the table, please. Take your foot off the table. You don't put a foot on the table. Put your foot down. Take a bite of your bagel, please.
No, but Shu.
Take a bite.
Shu has a bagel.
How big a bite can you take?
I can't take that big.
Let's see how big a bite you could take. Take a bite of your bagel, no? Sammy, did you have a good day today? Sammy, did you have a good day today? Come, you're so cute. Huh?
I'm not cute.
You're not? What are you?
Nothing.
Nothing? I think you're cute. You're a cutie pie. You're so cute. Oh boy, what a spider. Scary. Oy, 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 oy. Sammy's got a spider. Are you having a problem keeping the cream cheese off of your fingers? Wow, what a good bagel he's eating. Sammy eating a bagel. Wow.
Sammy eating a diaper.
A diaper? Oh boy. You're being silly.
No.
Yes, you are. You don't eat diapers.
Yes.
You eat food.
No, you eat poops.
Let me see. Let me see you take another bite.
Why would I?
Sammy. Uh-oh. Sammy. Look at Zafta. I want to see you eat your bagel.
No, you want to see me eat my diaper.
You're being silly. What a silly Willy.